Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Hope you all are enjoying the readings. Leave a comment as to how you feel the readings are, and I would be really happy to get some feedbacks from you all. And so now today, though it's a Sunday, and I have told you all that Sunday I will not say anything related to colors, but today maybe when you have a bath with a little bit of rose water in it. A lot of energy breakage I feel is needed, so have a bath with rose water. Also, if possible, in the afternoon, just feed some crows or feed some stray animals after 12, maybe lunchtime, feed them, and I'm sure that they are going to bless you in their own way. So, let's see what is the cards today. Ace of Wands. Again, if you see here, this card is completely different and not like our usual Ace of Wands. And let's see what is another card that is coming, the Queen of Wands. So, I think a lot of you are just worried about work and how to go about work, or how the upcoming days are going to be in relationship to your work. So here, when Ace of Wands is more like a beginning, I would say the Queen of Wands is more like, dream accomplished. So whatever you're planning at, maybe, you're trying to see what all new things you can bring in your existing work, or what all new projects you can bring, or how you can expand your business, how you can, make your colleagues work with a lot of interest under you. Everything what you're thinking is, what are the new steps that has to be taken in order to make things in your favor, and also in order to progress be in your way in terms of financial progress, business progress, or career progress also. So because of that, you will be sitting and planning few things, but what I see from the Queen of Wands is whatever you're planning will materialize in your favor, and you'll be happy that you planned it in such a way that things happened the way you want. At the same time, I would say, being a Sunday, give yourself a little break also, because sometimes when you take a break and then when we sit back and we start planning, we get better ideas and we get focused ideas. Because I feel that, this lady looking away in the Queen of Wands is, looking away from family time and worried more. So let go of the worry, surrender to the divine. I'm sure the divine is going to give you whatever you need. Have a beautiful and a blessed Sunday.